February 16, 2018 6:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. February 16, 2018 6:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Lindsey Vonn, Alpine Skiing, English Winter Olympics 2018, Pyeongchang 2018. The women's Super G has been pushed back an hour due to high winds as the event was originally scheduled to begin 9 p.m. ET local time. Weather delays and postponements are becoming a theme for the alpine skiing events during the 2018 Pyeongchang Games, with the latest one delaying Lindsey Vonn's Olympic return. The women's Super G has been pushed back an hour due to high winds on top of the mountain at the Jangseon Alpine Center. The event was originally scheduled to begin 9 p.m. ET Friday, 11 a.m. Saturday in Korea. The Super G marks the first Olympic race for Vonn since her last Olympics in 2010. She won gold in the downhill and bronze in the Super G in Vancouver, but a knee injury kept her out of competing in Sochi. Vonn will be the first racer in the field in Pyeongchang. The men's downhill was the first event of the Games to be rescheduled, while the women's giant slalom was pushed back as well due to dangerous weather conditions.